Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on mouse keys on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn on mouse keys on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start and type here Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. Click on Ease of Access. After click on Make the mouse. Here option Turn on mouse keys. So check this box. Click on Apply. Click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on mouse keys on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.